I've been mentioning this trend line. So this ascending trend line has been the key to holding price action and potentially seeing the move all the way up to 120 or even to 130 if we had a nice pump and a nice move higher here with a trend in crypto. That's exactly what I was looking for. And I've also mentioned in those videos that if it breaks back into the channel and under this trend line, we are going bearish. That's what happened on Monday morning, yesterday morning here in Asia. Broke below. I exited my long position with just in a small profit. And now it's looking like it's holding support around previous support and resistance levels, which are around this 114 to 111 level. So when I'm looking at this, what I'm seeing is it could potentially be a small dip before we move up higher, or it could be a completely flushed out move where we move all the way down to 105, 106 for the double bottom, or this move here on the weekly. Personally, I think once we've started this move here, it seems like unless there's some key news event coming out related to crypto that's going to be positive and showing us signs that there'll be momentum kicking in, it looks to me like we continue to operate within this wedge. Sorry, within this descending channel, which is also a bull flag as we consolidate for then a weekly move after we find support here on this monthly and weekly support resistance level. So we'll personally, I'm looking at the 100 level as the key level where investors, all types of traders and investors will come in, whether that's going to be position traders, swing traders, day traders, scalpers. Everybody will like the price around 100 for the reason that I've given here, which is it's a monthly and a weekly level support, previous level here, psychological level, many factors. And also it cheapens the price for long-term investors where they can go, if I buy at 100, it can go up to 150, 150. I've made 50%. That's a good enticing price and opportunity for everybody. And then on the RSI, we've had a break here and we're showing signs that we could go all the way down to minus to under 30. And we also have support on many occasions around this 38.40 level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an alert for this level. If it crosses down, to watch that level for potential bounce. That bounce, in my opinion, would be price coming all the way down to 107, 106, and then we bounce and we move up higher. So again, we still have that scenario for double bottom there. It's looking pretty good for us if we're long-term investors. If you're looking to short here, short-in opportunity was a break of the trend line. I personally didn't short because I think there's plenty of support coming in with the kind of state of the market. Yes, we could go to 100. I could have made maybe 15% on that move, but it just wasn't very appealing to me. My appeal here is whether we can get this 100 trade and then add it all up to 150 and then potentially a trigger in an alt season that everybody's been waiting for. Okay, so that's Bitcoin.